I get what I desire, it's my empire, and yes, I call it shit.
Hey girly pops, it's your girl Shay, and you already know what we're about to get into today. Unboxing. Got my pencil just in case, because I can never get it open with my nails. I'm so excited, y'all. It better be worth every penny. Not playing. And what else do I got? Wait, hold up.
A few moments later, a few minutes later, a few inches later, 12 seconds later, 3 days later, 3 weeks.
Open up. Open up, seal. Let that boy out of jail. Make sure it was done. Hey, I finally got it open. So now, I'm just putting it down here, but this is a little bit heavy. It was a puller thing right here all the time. Y'all just watch me struggle. That's crazy. But anyways, I got a MacBook because in 2025 we taking our content seriously. Period. And then we got another package. Oh, let's see what's in this one. Okay, a case. And what accessories for my camera. So yeah, now that we got all of that, come unbox it with me. Girl. And since y'all here, I might as well show y'all this raw ass edit that I made, but I did not post it on TikTok yet. See, I told you, we locked in. Because in the club we fam, and y'all got first dibs. Y'all see it. Okay, y'all, let's put the case on my stuff. Open it up. I don't know what's all this stuff in here. I should take it out. So we're gonna put the case and stuff on. It came with some other things that I don't even know what it was. So let's just try to figure this out. Huh? Pop? But okay, this look a little tricky, y'all. So let's not squeeze it. Try to just take it off. Oh, I have a little keypad. That's cute. That look like that can be the bottom. Okay, so save all that and make sure the two bottom corners snap in place. But it did not snap in place. Or maybe did it? I don't know.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Now that that's snapped in place, we're going to turn around. We're going to read the instructions because we don't need nothing wrong. So, okay. Oh, we need a screen protector. And let's see, I don't know what those are. And a keyboard. So let's open this up. Okay, now. That looks like a little adapter piece. Adapter. I don't know what those are. Well, y'all. The laptop is done. The keyboard is on. The screen protector is on. Yep. Okay, y'all, enough of that. Let's really get into it. Oh, okay. That was upside down. Clock it. Clock it. So, let's see. Got it. Let's see. Let's turn it on. I fell. I'm scared. Okay, yes, English. I'm so fascinated, y'all. Okay. Oh, turned off. English. Oh, okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna just scan this code real fast, and I'll be right back. Okay, yeah. So, I don't know. So let's just see what else is in this box. We have. I don't really know what none of this stuff is yet. I gotta go through it and see. I just want to show y'all what's in there. So I did get the creator combo. So I don't really know what is which, but I kind of was like looking. So I believe this goes on here. Maybe that's the wrong way. Let's see. So like that. Oh, it's the charger. Okay. Well, I guess we're learning. Well, that's that. Nails is cute until they not, because why I can't get nothing on. Jesus, miss. This piece, again, don't know, just showing y'all. Can't get nothing out. Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed that the little DJI store is not available on my laptop. So I'm gonna have to. I do have a little SD card reader, so I'm just gonna have to test that out. A little tripod. This is the microphone. I believe I was trying to watch a little bit of videos and be prepared. Yeah, I wasn't trying to be unorganized. The reason I don't put my glasses on when I'm recording my videos is because of this right here. I don't really know how to get the light out the camera yet. I ain't that advanced. I believe I've seen this. This goes on the DJI. And of course I have nails on, so I might have a hard time getting this in. So we're gonna just do that another time. We're gonna take this microphone and put this on here, I believe. Looks right. Now we clock it and try it. I don't know. That's for another time. Let's see what else we got in here. Cord. Look like something is trying to hide. Oh, the little extended lens. I'm gonna leave that in a little packet for now because it's kind of small. And guys, that's it. Little carrier case. Thanks for watching. Yeah, we didn't even put the accessories on, so let's just do that. Here go another little piece. I'm not gonna use that one though. So, yeah, I don't know where these pieces go. We're gonna just try to line them up and see if we can make it do. I don't know. This microphone be scaring me sometimes. I be having to check and see if it's still on or not. Take it as this goes on this. Like that. Type shit. Okay, let's see what else we got. We're just playing matchmaker at this point. Okay. Dang, I'm good at puzzles. Okay, well, this one, honestly, I'm not sure. I don't know. Does that look right? I don't know. Let's just take it off. We're gonna see when something's missing. Maybe this goes here. No, but it don't have a little piece on the other side. Oh, okay. Like that. Okay, guys, we doing good to be blindsided. Okay, let's see, what's this? What's this? Okay, no, that don't go there. Looks like it go to the camera. Okay, maybe we gotta stretch this out a little bit so it can fit. I could cry right now. That looks so beautiful. Okay, we're getting down to what looks like the last two pieces. Did it go there? Oh, okay. Cover up the front. Little protector. So that piece probably did go down there. And y'all wasn't even gonna say nothing. What's this? It looks like I got no more pieces available. Why they ball it up like this? Oh, okay. This goes. Yeah, I don't really know what to do with this. Oh, there we go.